Hi everyone, I am Akanksha Verma and I have studied accountancy from Sai Vinayak Institute by CA Varun Varshney sir. So it was 2024 and 2025, that is I have studied in class 11th and 12th.
Hi, I'm Diksha Sharma and I studied my 12th grade accounts from Varun sir. Now I am in Shriram College of Commerce, SICC, doing BCom. What I love most about studying with Varun sir is that he was dedicated and he constantly knew where I was going wrong, and he did it. He did not have to ask me basically कि किस चीज़ में problem हो रही है. He knew where my concepts were going wrong, and the amount of practice he made me do was very helpful. And he used to sit hours and hours with me कि practice हो जाए, concepts clear हो जाए, even after class. So initially I used to take private lessons, and my marks were really dropping, and till the time I reached 12th grade I was an average student, and my interest in accounts was also a little wavering. So Varun sir really helped me gain back my interest, and he never let me lose interest in this subject. My marks were like 50-60% almost, and then even in pre-boards I did not score very well, but he always supported me and encouraged me to do better, and he sat with me, helped me solve practice papers, and he taught me the way to do them properly so that I don't lose time in exams. And I scored well in my boards after that. I scored 92 in accounts and 93 overall. So Varun sir is dedicated because on the second day I joined the classes, I did not come, and he directly called my mom that she's not here in the class and bunk maar rahi hai kya. So my mom had to tell him whenever I was absent, and I would say that is a new level of dedication on his part, because he is caring for his students, that whether they are in class, whether they are studying or not.
Hi, my name is Ashmit Verma. I am currently pursuing Economics Honours from Amity University, Noida. I studied accountancy at Sai Vinayak Institute from Varun sir in the year 2023, and I scored 85 marks in accountancy in my class 12 board exam. See, the sir's teaching style is very unique. He always introduces a real life example along with each question so that the student successfully connects the real life example along with the concept, so it ultimately enhances the clarity of the concept. So when I joined Sai Vinayak Institute, I was very nervous about accountancy and its syllabus, that how will I cover such a vast syllabus with utmost clarity. But yeah, when I joined, sir motivated since the very first day, and he provided me with the every possible resource which we could get for accountancy, such as the past questions, previous year papers, and some extra reference books, etc. He was also available at the very last moment, even on the morning of the board exam. So yeah, definitely sir worked very hard for us, for our concept clarity. So beyond academics, sir organized team practicing sessions as well, so where all the students sat in a room and they practiced. What apart from study was, we cleared each other doubts, so it ultimately enhanced our confidence about the concept, about the paper, that yeah, when any other student clears some other person's doubt, so it ultimately boosts his confidence about the concept.
Sai Vinayak Institute is
transformative for me. It definitely transformed me, as I joined as a nervous student, but I passed out as a very confident student. Thank you.
Hello all, I'm Samiksha Jain. I have studied in the 11th and 12th grade with Varun sir, and I'm currently pursuing Chartered Accountancy course and I at the final level of CA exams.
So what do you love most about studying at Sai Vinayak Institute of Studies?
So basically in the year 2021-2022 I have studied with Varun sir. So कोविड था उस टाइम पे, तो उस टाइम इतना नहीं हो पाता था हमारे से कि सर से हम एकदम इंटरेक्शन कर पाए फिजिकली, बट मैंने एक साल पूरा ऑनलाइन किया सर के साथ. बट वो जिस क्लैरिटी से पढ़ाते थे, वो एक्चुअली एग्जाम्पल्स जो दे के कंसेप्ट पढ़ाते थे, वो एक्चुअली माइंड फिट हो जाता था. एंड एग्जाम्स में जब भी क्वेश्चंस करते थे तो बिल्कुल प्रॉब्लम नहीं आती थी इफ इन केस बुक से बाहर भी क्वेश्चन आ रहा है तो उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प मिली. दैट कंसेप्ट क्लैरिटी एंड प्रैक्टिकल बेसिस से पढ़ाना वाज द बिगेस्ट थिंग दैट सर डिड फॉर अस, एंड जिससे मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प मिली इन माई अकाउंटिंग सब्जेक्ट.
So how has been your learning experience changed since you joined here?
So when I chose commerce as my stream in 11th and 12th, I heard about Varun sir कि वो accountancy पढ़ाते हैं. So I thought of giving a chance to get into Sai Vinayak Institute. First chapter पढ़ा, इतनी clarity से पढ़ा है that I decided कि okay यहीं से पढ़ना है, और उसी से मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा help मिली. In my 12th board exams, I have scored 100 on 100 in my accounting subject, and thank you to Varun sir for that also. That is the biggest achievement for my life.
So this is a small quick questions, right? Just like one word question. So Sai Vinayak Institute is?
Sai Vinayak Institute is the OG, that is original in our Gen Z slang. There is no duplicate.
What is one gesture show how you feel after the class? Tired, happy, excited or confident?
So obviously happy and very excited after the class.
Thank you. So one word for Varun sir.
He is greatest of all times. Like, he is my mentor, and thank you for being that, sir.
Hello, my name is Ritu Verma. I am mother of Ashmit Verma and Akanksha Verma. My both children have studied class 11th and 12th accountancy subject coaching from Sai Vinayak Institute in the year 2023 and 25.
What made you choose Sai Vinayak Institute of Studies for your child?
Ma'am, first of all, experienced and very qualified faculty. Secondly, the institute is having a very great track record of giving impressive results. Thirdly, the institute is having a very comprehensive, updated and well-structured assignments chapter-wise, covering each and every topic very effectively.
Thank you, ma'am. Have you seen your child improve since joining the institute?
Of course, ma'am, my children have developed interest in the subject, and for giving best results or a perfectionist, for being a perfectionist, one must develop interest in the subjects, and of course the Sai Vinayak Institute has developed a keen interest in the subject.
How do you feel about the teaching approach and personal attention given here?
The institute is having a very creates a very comfortable and conducive learning environment, and they actually guides the children very effectively.
Thank you, ma'am. In just one word, how does the child feel after the class? Tired, happy, excited or confident?
Very much confident.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you.
I had been teaching my daughter since childhood, but in 11th grade she opted for commerce. Then I found my limitation that I was not able to guide her in accountancy. Then I find Sai Vinayak Institute and found Varun sir, and Varun sir really helped her to develop the accountancy concepts, and after which I found my daughter confident, and then I just left her under the mentorship of Varun sir, and after that she developed her own concepts. She took interest and scored 97 marks out of 100 in CBSE 12th board examination. About Varun sir, during exam days, he used to call all children, he used to build their confidence, and during the examination also he appeared near the examination center just to encourage all his students, and after the examination he encouraged whomsoever was not able to perform, he still encouraged them and given them the confidence that they would score well. So I found that the Varun teacher is one of the best commerce teacher, accountancy teacher around us. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Shivani, Diksha Sharma's mother. About Varun sir is very dedicated teacher. The way she taught my daughter is so well and very dedicatedly. Every time वो मुझे call करके बताते थे कितना she has done, कितना she is not doing, and where she is lacking. He knew she has a caliber of 95 plus, and he always makes it sure to give her extra sample papers and everything, and confirming whether she is doing or not very nicely. And his dedication towards his teaching experience is well, I don't have words to say, very nice. And about more, he just keep calling me and telling me okay where she's doing wrong, where she's right, and why she's not studying. Her mind is going here and there in the class. She's not sitting in front today, she's not sitting in back today. So it's like personal interest towards her. I mean, each and every student, I'm not saying only for her, my friends kids also going there, and they has also the same feedback for him. Very nice, and I'm very impressed with the sir. जितना उन्होंने किया है बच्चों के लिए, no doubt बच्चे भी मेहनत करते हैं, लेकिन जितना सर कर रहे हैं वो बहुत बढ़िया है. Very nice. Thank you.
इन गर्दिशों के बादलों पे चढ़ के वक्त का गिरेबा पकड़ के पूछना है जीत का पता, जीत का पता।
इन मुट्ठियों में चांद तारे भर के आसमां की हद से गुजर के हो जा तू भीड़ से जुदा, भीड़ से जुदा, भीड़ से जुदा। कहने को सर्रा है तू, लोहे का छर्रा है तू, टूटी शमशीरों से ही हो